Is your dishwasher acting up, vibrating, rattling, or just making way too much noise? Maybe you've noticed a puddle on the floor or the door just won't latch. The cause is likely hidden in plain sight. Grab a spirit level. If that bubble isn't centered, your machine is tilted, and that's a problem. Use a wrench to adjust the leveling legs at the base until the unit is perfectly horizontal. Perfectly level, now the door seals correctly with an effortless click. No more noise, no more leaks, just a smooth, silent wash every single time. Proper leveling is the key to appliance longevity. Take care of your machine and it'll take care of your dishes. Search Nas why leveling your dishwasher matters on dishwashingpics.com to learn how to master your kitchen maintenance.